As humanity's ambition stretches beyond Earth, the concept of space megastructures emerges as a beacon of potential innovation. These colossal constructions, ranging from solar power stations to habitats on other planets, promise to revolutionize our approach to energy, exploration, and habitation. In this video, we will explore 10 groundbreaking space megastructures that could not only reshape our technological landscape, but also redefine our place in the universe. Space elevator. A space elevator is a revolutionary concept aimed at transporting materials from Earth's surface directly into space without the need for rocket propulsion. The structure would extend from the equator to a geostationary orbit, anchored by a countermass. Current materials like carbon nanotubes are being studied for their potential to make this ambitious project feasible. 9. Orbital Ring. An orbital ring system features a rotating cable placed in low Earth orbit, moving slightly faster than orbital speed. Supported by superconducting magnets, ring stations hover at designated points on Earth, held in place electromagnetically. From these ring stations, shorter space elevators made of high tensile strength materials extend down to the surface. 8. Isoto Thruster. A Isoto Thruster imagines a giant reflective mirror constructed on the side of a star. The light from the star would bounce off the surface of the structure and push it away, thus creating a constant thrust. By harnessing this thrust, the Isoto Thruster could potentially move a whole star system throughout space, allowing for a radical new way of traversing enormous distances in a galaxy. The concept was first presented by Russian physicist Leonid Shketov in his 1987 paper, Possibility of Controlling Solar System Motion in the Galaxy. 7. Globus Cassis. Globus Cassis is an artistic vision by Swiss architect Christian Waldvogel, depicting the transformation of Earth into a massive, hollow, artificial world. This megastructure would feature an inner ecosphere, sustained by sunlight, entering through large windows and gravity generated by centrifugal force. Humans would inhabit two vast regions facing each other across an empty center. The hydrosphere and atmosphere would be maintained internally, with the equatorial zones hosting the ecosphere. 6. Dyson Sphere. A Dyson Sphere is a theoretical megastructure envisioned by physicist Freeman Dyson. This concept involves an array of orbiting solar power satellites designed to capture nearly all of a star's energy output. Beyond energy collection, later interpretations have proposed variants that include habitation and industrial zones. The most common depiction involves a solid shell surrounding a star, although this is considered the least feasible version. 5. Topopolis. A topopolis is a tubular space habitat that generates artificial gravity through rotation, creating a livable environment on its inner surface. The structure loops around a local star, often forming a torus knot, and can extend hundreds of millions of miles in length. First conceptualized by Pat Gunkel, and later popularized by Larry Niven in Bigger Than Worlds, these colossal habitats, also known as cosmic spaghetti, offer an intriguing solution for future space colonization. 4. Stellar engine. Stellar engines are hypothetical megastructures that harness a star's radiation to create usable energy. Some variants utilize this energy to produce thrust, accelerating the star and its orbiting bodies. This innovation would elevate its creators to a Type Ia civilization on the Kardashev scale. Class A stellar engines use an enormous mirror or light sail to propel the star. Class B employs a Dyson Sphere to extract energy from temperature differences. Class C combines both methods, merging the propulsive capabilities of a Isoto Thruster with the energy-generating features of a Class B engine. 3. Matrioska Brain. A Matrioska Brain envisions a series of nested Dyson Spheres around a star, each layer comprising nanoscale computers. These shells absorb stellar energy, power their computational systems, and re-radiate energy outward. Though it adheres to known physics, constructing such a system would require dismantling much of the planetary system for materials. 2. Alderson Disc. The Alderson Disc, conceptualized by Dan Alderson, is a massive, disc-shaped megastructure with a central hole housing the Sun. Stretching from the orbit of Mars to Jupiter, this colossal platter is several thousand miles thick. Its immense mass surpasses that of its central star. Unlike Earth, an Alderson Disc lacks a natural day/night cycle, resulting in constant twilight. 1. Ring world. A ring world is an immense artificial ring orbiting a star, providing artificial gravity through its rotation. With a radius comparable to Earth's orbit, it offers a vast habitable surface. The construction would consume the mass of all planets in its star system, requiring an enormous amount of energy to build and stabilize. Although it remains speculative, a ring world could transform space colonization by offering an extensive area for habitation, eclipsing the total surface area of traditional planets.